Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a notification sound not working in iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and having problem related to notification sound, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to open your settings in your iPhone, and guys you need to click on notifications tab, and guys from here you need to check one by one all the apps. As you can see, I am going to do this method. Simply you need to click on your app, and guys here is the option that is sound tab. You need to turn on this. So guys, if off, then you need to on it, and guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys like that you need to open again another app, and guys you need to make sure that sound tab is on. So guys, after checking these settings all the apps, then guys you need to go back, click on sound and haptics, and guys you need to select on text tone, and guys if clicked on none, then guys you need to select any tone from here, and guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing these settings, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your settings here, and guys you need to click on general, you need to click on software update, and guys you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys, by doing update your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.